My mind they tell me say na Tinubu write that song for Davido. Them go feel it. We dey feel am. We dey feel am. Teacher wey dey teach students balance diet don't drink garri 2 times. You no fit meet up. You no fit meet up. Oh. Stress. Huh?
Treat me like say I be Benin boy. And you get one thing when they do me for this Benin today, I will never forget. I go to go buy seafood okra. I see goat meat inside.
Hey God, see crowd. Now wow, who can remain for Benin Road? Everywhere don't full. Person we don't treat staphylococcus 3 times. Now they call chief of staff. At that point, any hospital where you enter, doctor will they give you salute. Chief of staff. Supposed to they work side by side with you. You don't treat. You don't swallow medicine. You treat and come back, you treat and come back. Baba, they're supposed to give you. We're supposed to give you something. After chief of staff, what do you call her? Eh? Well, people don't get infection, you say? So the staff of honor. Staff of honor. My brother, if infection hold you, you won't go buy medicine. You go wait me everybody buy finish. They're going to say you get good behavior, not lie. You won't see the doctor direct. Infection don't do one of my friends now. Not be me. When I reach there, now the doctor said, what do you want? He said, no, attend to all of them. The doctor said, you came before them. No, it doesn't mean. They are in a hurry. The doctor said, no problem. You attend to everybody. As doctor asked, I said, what do you want? I said, hey, doctor, I want my enter. Attend to him. Doctor said, sir, you came before them. I need to attend to you. I said, doctor, the person knows that is an anger. Doctor, one of my friends, we're having that discharge. Now I got there and say, that your friend, how old is he? Like 32, 33, like age. You no get money, you dey carry your drink, go toilet. Who want poison poor man? They protect your poverty. God, I beg you. Women, hear me. Any man will tell you, say, I like your vibes. He won't wipe you. I like your vibes. Now, wipe you. Men, if you want to say, man, I'm a motivational speaker, you carry babe, go out. Get where you don't meet for the first time, carry and go out. You can't try to hold the girl. You can't be girl where come from family where they speak English. The girl can't tell and say, you invited me to have sex with me? Is that why you invited me? I thought you wanted us to just know each other. Start from somewhere. You can't say the guy. My father didn't raise me a rapist. The first time I met you, I saw aspiration, I saw dreams, I saw vision. I saw intelligence. I'm not who you think I am. Now who you be, idiot. Now who you be. Now the guy plan to sleep, but he won't know you. You can't see the guy. The guy can't say, since you started seeing me as somebody who collected your number because of sex, I would just like you to sleep on the bed. Let me just stay on the ground. And that ground where you did, you know, say your mind no go touch ground. You know, your mind, you know, say that ground, your mind until you come. You know, if you sleep. And those men, when they don't go that ground, they will go find one place where they see the guy go pity them. If you go sleep near pot where they never wash. Now the guy will come and tell them, please, you're making me feel bad. You're not comfortable in your house. You go and say, just stay like that so that you know the kind of man I am. You'll be winged. No, you know yourself, you won't wipe. You can't tell the guy, just stay on the bed. In the morning, you go home, we'll keep talking, you know I'm a very calm man. Now lie. You can't see him. You can't the rub pull himself. If he carry pot on the rub for his face. The girl will come on light. The girl will come go meet him. Jude, I need to see you as a rapist. Please, I beg you, I can't be on your bed and you stay on the ground. Please, can you come to your bed? You go see the man, I don't stand up. Men where the weekend, but I they will go play Westlife. That time if you want hold again, na slow motion. Go first, go keep hand for shoulder. After I keep hand for shoulder, you go the carry and go down small. Wash your hand, touch nipple. Normally, any guy will touch your nipple, you're supposed to say, oh. Any guy will touch your nipple, you see they look you big time. Now, Banji, you know they follow God's plan. God plan, and when they touch your nipple, you say, oh. Now, so, when Adam touch Eve nipple, you do oh now. Why your own different? You be winch. Go say, oh. You got one thing where girl go tell you, you go crazy. You and babe never dey inside house, the whole and me just look you. Have you locked the door? I locked the swallow key. When I finish now operation, they take come out my key, more take go outside. Swallow key. God, I beg you. So far in Nigeria, it always sweet me when I see people come like this. No be our government plan, no. Waiting they help Nigerians now on Snapchat. So far, if you see Nigerians real face, Snapchat don't help us. So, Tinubu enter 24 hours, say let the poor breathe. Next day, suffocate everybody. My mind they tell me say that Tinubu write that song for Davido. Them go feel it. We dey feel am. We dey feel am. Teacher, when they teach students balanced diet, don't drink garri 2 times. You know, feel meet up. You know, feel meet up. Stress. Huh? Ew! Have a day.
My name is Sarkin Dariya. DJ Oil It. Happy New Year's. What's going on? My father said, now man, when get money, they do DNA test. That is why poor men, they live on for God. My papa tell me, say, no matter how CCTV camera observe rich, you know they see rich man when they come up for hotel with inside chick. Me something no swear. Bini is very sweet, but I won't be gonna with good. If stranger come on, I treat them like stranger, especially the guests. I just come, no they treat me like say I be Benin boy. And you get one thing when they do me for this Benin today, I will never forget. I go buy seafood okra. I see goat meat inside. Maybe that one paid me. I won't complain, give the woman. And the woman going to say, oh, when they go fetch the seafood, now flood the key go to join. So waiting water kill, no be seafood. Abi? He said, naim. 2 days support evil. This country don't rugged though. Whenever we stand New Year, I don't get resolution. Now this poor year for myself. Me as Adela, I don't get resolution. I just the rugged down. If you show me shaggy, I show you shaggy. I will not be so. I just my deputy. You know what they call my deputy? My own state deputy, we know they see. We know they see the election. Then they will come give us man where be woman as governor. I'm from Kogi. You know, no? See, Kogi na country on your own. See, una. Una they complain, say some people they complain, say una get pothole for Benin. You don't see pothole. Now Kogi go see pothole inside pothole. Keke don't ever enter pothole na no seeing head. Ape mo na komoto na no know wetin go do for now. You don't see pot. Now for Kogi person go bath from bathroom, you need to jump pothole. You never understand. Poverty na bastard. You know, say, I say, man, you get the way you go broke and you come there ask your girlfriend whether you get another boy when you go borrow no money. I don't say anything I do for this life. I must marry who fine. As I see him like this, I must not marry who slim. And I don't know why they wear big clothes. Get the way I go marry who slim like me, will go tango for bed. Because it takes two to tango. I say, winning girls, as I was saying earlier, please, I beg you, na stranger I be. If I fall in love with you, no, they treat me like Benin boy. I just fall in love with one Benin girl now, we want the fellowship. As with the fellowship, somebody say, waiting be fellowship. Now everything you know. No, they stress me, I don't like this work. Monica Kwanya says supposed to be banker, me. I supposed to be lawyer, I supposed to do what they shout. I put it to you, my lord. But Nigeria put them for my body, water. I no like stress. When I start this work, it didn't say I like him. My father looked me say, how come my first son be making jest of himself? I say, calm down, you go like this work. Money there, I no believe. Last year, June, now go presidential villa, go crack joke. Then pay me 4 million to perform for 10 minutes. I nearly perform for 4 days. Poverty in a bastard. You know, say you get the kind of money you go give your family like this, your position for family go change. You know, some of you now, why know the family WhatsApp group? You are contributing nothing. You are a waste of space. That's why I sent my father 1 million. When the alert enter in phone, my father phone face off. As he charge carry phone, call me. For 2 minutes, my father no talk. I just hear, Now I say hello. The first thing when my papa when born me talk now, my brother. God bless you. Now I say no, now me your son. He say shut up. Now small begin to worry you. What do you do for me now? Only brother, we do one for brother. It is say my father was. You don't see my mama. The first day I gave my mother 500,000 naira cash. As I give her the money, she hold them. Now once she look me and say, what has this little girl done to deserve all this? You know what I say? Anything. Poverty in a bastard. Benin girls, back to you. We want the fellowship. I just say, now once Benin girl just look me and say, you they do me well, but I know they enjoy. Do me like Charlie Poppy. I say, I don't understand. He say, you go just the bend and like Benz. So as I want the bend and like Benz, I want hit something. Followed everywhere. Now I want to tell the girl, be this. Benin girl look at me and tell me, say, inside my avian, another avian there inside. Good night.